put our coworker in a bunch of ice baths to test the effectiveness of different space heaters. One of them was the Aikoper portable space heater. We're pretty sure.
Okay, well, so we got the Aikoper. We got the AI Cooper, AI Coper.
Pronunciation aside, Zach described this one as a nice middle ground between the Amazon Basic and the Dreo, where the air didn't feel too heavy, didn't feel too light, but the room was definitely getting warmer. A nice heater for people who prefer the middle ground.
So it's really great to see the AI Coper. It's doing pretty good.
Check out our profile for the full video. And if this space heater interests you, we have the Amazon link in our bio.